Watch this video to go from boring to fabulous in less than 40 minutes. So starting this video off, I'm actually going to fill in my brows. I'm actually using a pencil with a spoolie at the end to line my brows first, and then I will go in with my pomade. I use the shade dark brown in my pomade, and I use the shade dark brown for my pencil. So here my brows are already shaded in with my pomade. I'm just going under my brow with a 2 shade lighter concealer and brush to give my eyebrows that perfect arch. The brush is perfect. I said that in another video of mine, that this brush actually helps with the shading in the middle of your nose, so that way one brow do not come over further than the other. In this video, I'm actually not going to show you guys how I blend my primer and my concealer. You can actually go on my channel and watch another video, and it will show you how to blend in the concealer. This is the best part of my videos, the eyeshadowing. I just love to put on eyeshadow. As you can see, I get all happy and joyful. I'm going to show you here what color I'm going to use. You can tell I use a certain color all the time because it's almost gone. No! But I'm just going to use that right up under my brows just to give my eyeshadow a base. So I'm going to just show you guys now. In this eyeshadow world, to me, there's never enough. So put as many layers on as needed so you don't feel as though you're spreading, you're spacing. I actually use a primer, so mine's kind of stay in place. But if you do not choose to use a primer, just use as much as possible so you know that you get a lot of coverage. So here I'm just showing you guys that I'm going into another palette. I actually got this palette from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use the gold out of this palette to go into my tear ducts, and that just shows you that you can use 2 colors and make them beautiful just as much as you can use 4. Time to add foundation. This is the brush and foundation that I will be using in this video. I am a bold eye person, so I put mascara often down at the bottom of my eyes. I just love that it gives you a bold look. This loose finishing powder by Maybelline I actually got from Walmart. I'm not going to show you guys a full application, but in the next part of the video, you will notice me finishing it up. Every woman deserves to shine, so why not add a little glow to your life with this bronzer that I got from Walgreens by Milani. I love it. You bronze your nose, the peak of your lips, your cheekbone. It just makes you shine, baby. These lashes actually came off my site, so I'm allowed to be silly with them. Check out my website now, ladies. Yes. Every woman have a different preference. Me, of course, I love to use the index finger and thumb to press them firmly against my natural lashes. You can use also an eyelash tool. I will do a clip on that so you guys can see how the application. So just subscribe to my channel. My infamous lip gloss from my lip gloss line over at sweethearttendencies.com. I freaking love this lip gloss. Even though it is not high in shine, it is very moisturizing and leave your lips oh so soft.
You look pretty, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. Thank you guys for watching this amazing tutorial. If you have any questions about how I did my brows, just go back and watch one of the other videos. Like, subscribe, and just watch all my videos over and over again if you have to, just to learn this look. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.